Hi guys, I'm Tutor. How are you? I hope so that you'll be okay. So, in this video, I'm gonna talk what I understood about all this article. Okay, so I'm gonna start. Sorry, I'm gonna do a little interview about me because I need to that you know me. My name is Andrea Victor Hernandez. I am 23 years old. Sorry, a little bit sick. Eh, I am 22 years old. I have been teaching English for 2 years. Yeah, in Cucuta, Norte Santander. I love to teach English. I am between B1 and B2 English, but I am trying, working hard because I'm gonna have C1 one day. But it's okay, don't be afraid. So this is me. I hope so that you can work very well with me. So about the article 12 is about this article consider is good for us because I have been doing product 2 years in now. I think all the time that we spend teaching English for all of us students must be considered as a work spirit. Yeah, why? Because you know when you go you practice, remember that you need to prepare your cat, you need to investigate. A part of that, for example, in my case, what I do, I know my stuff, but if you, I can see one of my students or all my students have a little difficult with something, so I prefer to investigate to make another try with the object that that person can improve their his or her English. So yeah, must be considered as a word spirit. Article 30 about this article, I think it's no problem about that, but I consider that it's good if you someone an institution where he or she can do the medical practice can do, because in the university sometimes limit is to that's it. Well, where I am feel so comfortable. Why? Because I am starting really late. So for me, for my time, I am feel so comfortable. But I know the cases of other students. So there, other things. Oh, sorry, guys. You know I am seeing. You can see. You can hear. Sorry. About the article 14, about this article, incorporate a grip. We need to know where we are double role. Remember, we are a student and teachers. So we need to be responsible and careful with our student as a for that we speak our way we express something. We are the face of the university. That is true. You need to put in your mind, I am a student, I am teacher, I will be a teacher, so you need to be very, very responsible. You need to be serious. You need to be, I don't know, you must be focused in your mind that you are preparing future teacher, future professional, future you can have in your hand the future person. So you need to be responsible, carefree, responsible, responsible with that. Well, about the article 80, about this article, I do my practice where I use different way to evaluate my. Yeah, well, I remember that before to start my pedagogical practice at Galilei, I had two ways to evaluate my student. Right now, because I learn a lot kind of method. So right now I have different kind of way to evaluate my student for better. Okay. Well, the article 19. About this article, I think it's a great way to observe how the students are going on with the process, but sometimes for some students can be difficult to participate in this event. Yeah, for example, I have this student, for example, the last semester, one of my students wrote, teacher, same for your class. Right now, I can't know what I need to do. Sorry. My student wrote me, teacher, right now I understood what is the difference between 0 and infinity, because I have my B1 English level. I am B1, but in some time what I don't know where I need to put the 2 or where I need to put the ing. So that's correct. But it's sometimes difficult for me because I work in Spread Yourself, but I'm on separate school. So it's a base. It's difficult to participate for me because I work in the morning and the afternoon. Sometimes, for example, on Tuesday, on Friday, and Wednesday, I work in the night too. So I consider that it's compriming to be individual with tutor. It's better for me, but that no depends on me. So the Article 12. About this article, I don't have a lot of things to say. I am completely agree. We as a student and future teacher, we need to know all this, but I don't have problem with this situation. Yeah. It is saying, I want to announce some more. You need to know what is your time and with organize your time to organize your class with you. Well, that is great when I do in my pedagogical practice, because you choose what group you wanna work and what is your time. Man, that is perfect where you work and study. I really love it that. Well, about the Article 12, I guess it's very important to know with our right art, yeah, it's, it's great when you know that. I know when our right are being patented or now taken into account, it's a great way to receive our first work experience certificate. Man, I didn't know that. Right now, I feel so comfortable because I know the university gonna give you a experience certification. Oh man, this is amazing for your curriculum. So man, put your mind, I gonna do the best of me. Okay. Yeah, about the article 12, about this article is good. If you this institution where I am doing our practical pedagogical, we can get our first work. I'm going on studying the well, that depends of you and depends on the university, because it's good if you where are you doing your practice, you can after you finish your pedagogical practice, you can go on working there. But that though depends on the university, and that depends just of where you working. So guys, thank you very much. I hope so that you can understand everything that I said. Thank you very much. Sorry because I am a little bit sick, but it's okay. Bye. See you.